Hello children, today our 5th standard second poem Great Grandmother written by Alan Mann, and it is one of the most lovable poem. Why? Because it is about great grandmother. Here poet also feeling about his great grandmother. Here pre-reading activity they gave you. Find a photograph of your great grandparents and write a description of the same. You also write some of the photographs you have to take of your great grandparents and write how do you feel by seeing their photograph. How their eyes, how their nature, how they look their photograph. You should write a description regarding their photographs. And why do you think knowing about our grandparents and great grandparents is necessary? Why do you think great grandparents and parents are very important in our life? That also you should discuss and write it. And have you looked at old photographs of remembered people? Have you begun speaking to your family members about them? See, old photograph will be there in our home. Sometimes we hang in our home and means we are going to feel something. We are going to ask about their nature and all, how they will be, how their grandmother was, how the grandfather was. We are going to ask some questions to our parents, and usually it happens in all our homes. Here grandparents, why grandparents and great grandparents are very important in our life. Some of the moral values we are going to learn from the great grandparents and grandparents. That is why we want to have, we are loving them. That is why we want to have the great grandparents and grandparents. And here is our first line. We are going to start the poem. She looks out at me from the yellowish photograph misted over by time. What happened? How the grandmother, here poet is feeling regarding her grandmother. How she looks, she was looking her photograph and she was describing about her great grandmother. She looks out at me. She was looking, how she looked? She was looking at him. And from the yellowish photograph, what was the photograph? Was the color that was in a yellow color, misted over by time. Misted means what? It was a dimmed photograph was there. From there she was looking at me, and it is a frank and serious look. How was the great grandmother's look from the photograph? It was frank and what? Serious look. Frank means what here? It is a straightforward. Frankly, she was looking like this only, and he was feeling like that. And her eyes are stern. Her eyes are looking like what? She was very strict. It was showing. Sometimes we are going to say some persons means we are going to identify. We cannot talk also. We are going to identify their nature, how they are. Here also, poet is feeling by looking her great grandmother eye, and he was feeling she was very strict. And but they can laugh too. But she was laughing too. Her hair is pulled back. What happened? Her hairs are pulled back and tightly in a bun. And what happened? It is all the hairs were back and it was folded by a bow or bun. And on a black dress. What type of dress she wore? Sari color is black. Black dress she wear, no jewelry. And she wore a black dress but no jewelry. That great grandmother or the poet's great grandmother was having no jewelry. I never knew her. The poet was not knowing about her. Only photograph was hanged in his home. Just he was explaining his great grandmother in his description. And I never knew her, yet I recognize myself in her 3 generations later. What happened? Great grandmother, now he is realizing after 3 generations, parents and their parents. That it is called what? A great grandparents. Parents called what? A great grandparents. Understand? And 3 generations later, he was looking the great grandmother's photo in the poet's house. May my grandchildren feel as close to me as I now do to her. How the poet is feeling now regarding her great grandmother. In the coming days, what happened after 3 generations? Poets, then children and grandchildren will feel regarding poet's photo. Then he will become a great grandfather that time. This is the what regarding great grandmother. How she was. Understand that clearly we cannot feel how they are by looking their photo and all. But here poet is going to describe his great grandmother by the photograph. Understand? By the yellowing photograph. Here glossary they gave yellowing means what? Discolored, no colorless, and getting old. White paper turn yellow after the long period. White paper we are going to, in olden days they are taking in a white paper sheet for the photograph and all. But after some years it will look like a yellow means dull in color. Turns yellow, and misted means what? A dim, no colorless it is. And stern means what? A strict. Frank means straightforward. Recognize means understand and identify or find. These are the words already found in the great grandmother poem. Understand, children? You also feel that why we need great grandparents and grandparents. Write it in your book. Why we have to have great grandparents and grandparents in our life. Understand? And next session we are going to continue the next lesson. You keep on your reading and read the poem line by line, and where are the punctuation marks, and a glossary you should write and keep it in your CW. Understand, children?